Okay, this is part 3. I asked you to go ahead and work out this example right here where your function is f of x equals x minus 3 to the 1/3. Okay, so I took the derivative. Check here, see if you agree. Now I'm supposed to find the critical numbers, which is where the derivative is 0 or does not exist. It is impossible for the derivative to equal 0 because the only way a fraction equals 0 is when the numerator is 0, which it can't be. But f prime is undefined at x equals 3 because that causes a 0 in the denominator. So this is a critical value. Critical values are where the derivative is 0 or does not exist. So then I placed x equals 3 on my number line for f prime, plugged values into f prime, right here, into f prime, to the right and to the left, and this was kind of strange because I got positive on both sides. No matter what I plugged in, I got positive. That means that f is increasing all the time and never decreases. F has no maximum and no minimum because there's no place where the derivative changes from positive to negative or negative to positive. What you might want to do is go ahead and graph this original function on your calculator and see if it fits the information that we have described. Okay, so what I want you to do is go ahead and do these next two problems. We do the exact same thing with them, only we have a rational function and then a trig function. Let me give you a quick hint on this next one right here. And that's that if you go ahead and split this function up first, write it as x over x squared plus 4 over x squared, or in other words, write it as 1 over x plus 4 over x squared, then your work will be easier in terms of taking the derivative. Also notice that in this particular problem, the domain of this function is the set of all x such that x does not equal 0. So that means throughout the problem you have to keep in mind that x cannot equal 0 in this problem. Okay, so I'd like you to go ahead and try that example and then try the last example, which is a trig function. And that'll give you a good idea if you've got these down or not. I will email you the filled in notes for all of this, including these last two, and you're ready then to go ahead and try the next homework assignment. Okay, be sure to email me if you have any questions as you go along. All right, good luck.